Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Okay, now I'm just gonna actually pause a little bit here and say that I don't even need to, do the lengthy updates. We still are pending to go to the downside and watch the Bitcoin update. The update is available on the channel at this point of time. So it's gonna be a very, very quick comment on the SLP because I've been kind of busy and I'm just tired. Let's just say I'm tired. And the thing is that I think that SLP still has that reversal technical target of the reversal wave, which takes you from this bottom all the way to the top here. And that actually marks up what? The 1.618 level. So 145. And what's the Bitcoin update? Bitcoin is also losing support the same way I told you that SLP is losing support. So Bitcoin is losing support. I'm just going to give you a quick peek on Bitcoin. But if you want a detailed analysis, you do watch the whole update. It's 5 minutes. Come on, man. And you have this trend line which is getting lost. Do you see that? And I think I'm pretty sure you've been watching SLP update. We were up here when I told you SLP is in danger, when we were losing the trend line right over here, and I was giving you the technical targets of the reversal wave to the downside way before back up in these levels when we were back at 226. I was telling you that 226 is a crucial level for SLP to hold, lose the 0.618, reversal wave to the 1.618. And that's it for the update, guys. Unless we don't start to actually, even look at Bitcoin, you have to look at the Bitcoin update. What is going to be the safe spot of Bitcoin? If Bitcoin tries to go up, you can see SLP actually bottoming out very soon. But let's see, unless you're not reaching the technical target, unless you're not even breaking out, maybe let's say go back to the trend line, then this is a threat to go to the downside still. But today is important. You still have 5 hours left to close the daily candle. So let's see how you close in the next 5 hours. Can you actually continue to go down like this? Then that's something, okay? That's something. This candlestick has to close. If you close in an inverted hammer, you might even start to go tomorrow up to the upside. That's just an if, not confirmed. So wait for today's closing, on Bitcoin as well, and how they're going to be relating to one another. And that's it for this update. If you want to take my trading course, do check it out. For 29 bucks you can pay with cryptocurrency. Join the Discord, message me on Discord, and I'm going to tell you how to do so. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.